What's up, YouTube? How you all doing? Happy New Week, and yeah, Happy New Week, guys. This week is gonna be great. This week is going to be profitable for us all. Last week was, should I say, the best because things moved our way. Things moved according to plan. We had a little bit of losses. We had some, just as it goes by. But again, we're in a new week. We're gonna move. We're gonna print. We're gonna, we're here to analyze. All right. So if you're just joining the channel, make sure you um smash the subscribe button and like this video. All right. So today somebody from my community did say I should analyze a token. So I mean I mean a currency pair, and that is what I will be analyzing today. Although I'll still talk about DXY and the rest, but let me just jump into EURJPY. He did mention EURJPY, and I have been analyzing that token for a while. I mean, he just told me yesterday, so I've been analyzing it for a while. So he was like he's seen something on EURJPY. Remember, I told you our community is active, and just join the WhatsApp community. Very soon we'll get the Discord and Telegram started again, but join the WhatsApp community. A whole lot is happening. Okay, as I said, there's a giveaway coming up for those who are following Apex Trader Inc. and all social media handles. Alright, so make sure you are in the community. You don't want to miss any of these good things. Alright, so where do I keep this? Let me just keep it somewhere around here. Alright, so looking at your JPY on my daily time frame, yes, it looks bullish because you can see the liquidity at this top, and then it's just where to enter from here is the issue. If I go to my weekly time frame, let me just start off with my weekly time frame. All right, you can see we should be doing well. All right, we should be topping up to 176. Okay, but how far? If not even 176, at least around let's say this area. This area looks okay. Let me mark that. Sorry, put it back to blue. Yeah, so we should be coming back to 170, 168, and majorly 175, 174, or let's just say, yeah, or thereabout. Okay, but it's how to get in. That is where I'm stuck because we already had this pop up from here on the weekly time frame, and then we have this red candle. Probably this week is gonna be a little bit red. There's a very long swing. Okay, if we go back to the daily time frame, you see that we already did pop up real good from here. If anybody had entered here, then they would have secured a good position, but it doesn't look like it's going to hold much. So what I am expecting is, if maybe by tomorrow we actually break this chain up over here. Okay, what I'm expecting is if we break this place, probably clear the liquidity at this one, because this one is cleared and this one too is a bit clear. So maybe we should be targeting this level here, around here. We need to break above this place like a spike, and then we can anticipate price reaching higher. Okay, price reaching higher from here. Okay, and then probably retesting back down, and then this will be our entry. Okay, and then that will be our entry to oh, sorry about that. That will be our entry, and then we can take the market up. All right, so but if that doesn't happen, I'm still thinking of entering lower, because this is where this zone, I'm like, why don't you just enter here instead of waiting for the daily candle to form? Right there, that would be too bogus, because we don't know how far this candle is going to drop. Okay, I don't know how far even if it creates a gap, I'm not going to trust that gap around that area. Okay, but what I do know is if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see a huge gap around here. So we can see a little entry, and then on the 4-hour time frame we have this here. You can see that is been breached, or should I say has been broken into, and it has been cleared, and we can see the market is starting to retrace back down. So what we should be expecting, let's go to our 1-hour time frame, is look for where to enter, and that's where I saw this entry right about here, and I'm like, this would be my entry point. Not here, not here, here, somewhere around here will be the entry point, and then I know I can deal with this at least. Once it comes over here and tries to retrace back up, or maybe it does retrace back up, I can deal with whatever roller coaster would be happening here, and then maybe I can still enter around here. But this zone looks like a key entry to me. Let me put this back. Let me put this around this week here. Yeah, this week. Oh, sorry. So that looks much more valid to me. And then now I can put my long from here again, and then remember your stop loss should be somewhere around there. So that's just how the trade will pan out. So I can put my stop loss way below this level here. I might still reduce it the more we go. If we go above this zone, I would reduce my stop loss again and again and again and again. Let me put this, move on to the 4 hour time frame so I'm not on my system today. All right, so I have to deal with the phone, and I mean I've been using my phone most of the time, so it doesn't matter. All right, so you can see this is the trade. This is the trade for EURJPY. All right, I'm waiting for the market to come to this level here and then probably retrace back up. But again, we need to be careful because we have more levels at this zone. Okay, but looks like this one. I don't think we should expect the market coming back down to this level here, because it has been cleared, it has been respected, and we can see that bounce. But I believe the market wants to fill this gap, okay, fill this huge imbalance over here before, plumbing back up, break above. And this is where a lot of liquidity will be taken, because if we zoom out, you'll see that we have this strong resistance zone over here, and then we all know what is resting above this zone, right? We have stops resting above this zone, and if we can clear those stops, that would be a lot of bullish movement for us. Yeah, let me know what you think, but this is just what I see. I don't see any possible bearish retracements whatsoever. I don't see any possible bearish retracements yet. Okay, I don't see any possible bearish retracement yet, because yeah, I don't just see it yet. But let's look at what tomorrow brings. You can place your trade from this level. Remember, risk management is key. Risk management is key. All right, so yeah, that's that about EURJPY. Now let's jump back to DXY. Let's jump back to DXY. Okay, we want to see what's been happening with the dollar. All right, this is the daily time frame. You guys remember? Oh my God, you guys remember on my last live session, I did tell you what to expect from dollar. I did tell you we are gonna pop off real good into this area. We did, and now where are we going next? We're going to the 104. We're going there next, because I remember on my last live session while we were here, I did say it's either DXY comes down to this level, or tricks the market, traps wherever it want to trap, and then where is it going to next? We coming back here, 102. And where is it at? 102. It crossed it all, broke through it, and where are we going next? We're going to clear liquidity at 103 first, and probably we're going to be into the 103.703 area, probably around that range. So let's see how far this panned out for other currencies. Let's just go to the 4 hour time frame. Let's see how we're gonna do. You see, power of analysis, guy. I told you, if you're not following this channel, you're missing a lot. We are seeing the future. Just joking, but still we're seeing the future. Anyway, so that's that about DXY. Let's check the weekly time frame. Let's see what if it's still following our weekly analysis. Yes, it's still following our weekly analysis. And yeah, so many people are saying dollar is gonna crash. I am also saying it, because why I'm saying this, alright, because yes, I am putting this at the back of my mind, but I always follow with my precision. I always check what is happening, because we have to be checking. We can't just keep saying dollar is dropping. Okay, I know I've been saying it, and again I clarified myself on my last channel, on the last video I made, that we should be expecting some good green model. And when we expect that good green model, what did I say will happen next? Probably the crash. All right, so let's check. Let's go into Euro USD. Let's see what's been happening with Euro USD. It's pretty bearish. All right, pretty bearish. I did say we should be coming over to 1.1, which we were close, but it didn't happen. Not bad that it didn't happen, but still, Now we are dropping hard. Euro USD weekly this week might be a little green, probably to create some gap over here, but it won't be that green. Probably it might pop up to 1.1013 or 132 around this area, and then probably start dropping back down again. But regardless, everything is going according to plan. That's what we will just believe. And look at this. It cleared. I think there was a liquidity at this zone. I think I marked out liquidity at this zone, a liquidity sweep at this zone, and then we're into it. So yeah, Euro USD officially is bearish. Anyway, if you've been following this channel, you should have seen it a long time ago. You should have seen it a long time ago. Other than that, I don't think I'll be trading DXY or gold. I mean any USDP this week. Maybe if I get some formation, maybe I won't be swinging, okay, but I would be trading like short term trades like the 5 minutes, 15 minutes around that area, because a whole lot of technical shit. Probably fundamental, and I'm no fundamental trader, I'm a technical analyst. I dabble in fundamentals once in a while, but it's not my calling. I'm much of the technical analysis. All right, let's should we check GBP USD? No, let's go straight to gold. Let's see what's been happening on gold. Gold. Get me gold. Okay, so look at this. I was expecting that huge drop to this. Yes, I was anticipating it, but I did anticipate the drawback down to this level. And when it got to that level, we had the retracement back up, and then I did expect anticipation drop down to this level, and then finally probably this level, but it didn't go as planned. And then now we are looking probably going to go bullish. The way I'm looking at gold might really pop. Like it's gonna pop. I'm ready to blow up. Let's check the weekly time frame. Still the same scenario. Gold is looking to pop. Get ready to buy gold, guys. Get ready to buy gold. I've been talking about the shorts, and I think the short didn't go as planned, but depending on whatever news comes up in the markets, I can pull up my news charts, but let's see, 11th of October, PPI, 10th of October, 10th of October, 10th of October, 10th of. So a lot of news are coming out that will influence the price, and then we will be able to tell for sure what's going to happen. For one, I'll be waiting for the FOMC meeting, and that's where we would really know our fate. Sometimes that FOMC meeting really talks a lot about what we should expect from other news, because what was said in that meeting that you will know, oh, this news is going to be bogus, this news is going to go good. All right, Bitcoin is still staggering here and there, probably finding a drought. Who knows what it's planning. Picked up here, I've not seen any bullish movement yet for Bitcoin. I have not seen any bullish momentum yet for Bitcoin. It's still should I say still gathering volume. Yeah, let me put it that way. Bitcoin is still gathering enough volume for the next, whether for the next bear run or for the next bull run. But all I can say is it's gathering volume right now. So that's that about Bitcoin. Since I've analyzed DXY, remember, whenever I analyze DXY, that is how you should see the other chart. Like if I'm talking about DXY dropping, you should be looking for alternative on other currency pairs. So even if I am not talking about all the currency pair, you should know that, oh, okay, this one, since DXY is doing this, then somehow relatively this currency pair should be doing this. Remember Doge, everybody? Yeah, who's ready? Ah, shit. We took a huge loss. I took a loss on Doge because I bought at this zone, but I restructured my chart. Alright, I restructured my chart, and look at what I found. I found out that we broke off here and we were retracing back. If we, the rules of trend line, right? So that's the rule, one of the rules of trend line. So I remembered my trend line. I mean, it's been long I traded with trend lines. So I restructured it, and I found out that, oh, I'm still good. My chart is not broken. It's just me. I did not analyze it properly. So guys, Doge is still doing well. We were supposed to buy at this level, which wasn't really the plan, which was my plan, but it dropped to this level, and I should have still entered at this level, but I was waiting to see what would happen. I didn't want to trust the fact that, oh yeah, we broke off, we're gonna retrace back on the line, and that doesn't really sit well with me. But again, Doge is going bullish, guys. Get ready, I don't know how to put it, get everything ready, guys. Get everything ready. All right, so that's that for Doge is still going bullish. I'm still looking at it in a bullish way. He dropped. We needed that drop because we needed it to accumulate more volume, and I think it's gathering more and more volume as the day goes by. Let me look at AUD CAD. I did send a trade last week to the chart to the group, and yep, look at this. We crushed it. We did good. We crushed it. I told you guys, if you are not following the group channel, guys, you are missing a lot. You are missing a lot. Like, look at this. How would you miss this if you are not following Apex Trader Inc. on the Western community? You are missing a lot. You are missing a lot because you can get all this for free. All of this for free. I am not taking any fee for anything. Everything is free. My analysis is free, technicals are free, setups are free. Or just join. That is all. Just join, relate with other forex traders, join. The group is in the description below, guys. All right, that's that for that. We're waiting for T take profit to be smashed, and then we'll know where to go next. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.